Are you tired of compromising your favorite pie fillings when sharing a large pie with friends or family? Do you dream of having your own perfect S-sized pie with your choice of sweet or savory fillings? Well, your pie-making dreams are about to come true with the Breville BPI640XL Personal Pie Maker. This innovative kitchen appliance is here to revolutionize the way you enjoy pies. Why settle for a single pie flavor when you can have it all? The Breville Personal Pie Maker allows you to create not one but 4 individual pies in one go. Each pie mold has a 4 inches diameter, making it the ideal size for a personal dessert, meal, or snack. No more compromising on flavors. Now you can cater to different tastes and preferences. Pies are as much about taste as they are about presentation. The BPI640XL features an edge crimper that seals your pies with decorative trim, giving them that professional and inviting look. Your pies will not only taste amazing but also look like they came straight from a gourmet bakery. Worried about your pie fillings oozing out during the cooking process? The Breville Personal Pie Maker has you covered. It comes with a locking latch that ensures your pies stay securely sealed while cooking, preserving all the delicious flavors inside. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to perfectly contained pies. Nobody enjoys the hassle of cleaning up after baking. With the Breville Personal Pie Maker, cleaning is a breeze. It boasts an easy clean non-stick surface that ensures your pies don't stick to the molds. After you've indulged in your delightful pies, cleaning up is quick and stress-free. Technical specifications. Pie molds. The Personal Pie Maker comes with 4 individual pie molds, each with a diameter of 4 inches. This sizing is perfect for creating single-serving pies tailored to your preferences. Edge crimper. The included edge crimper is a fantastic feature that not only seals your pies but also adds decorative trim for a professional and visually appealing finish. Locking latch. Worried about pie fillings spilling out during cooking? The locking latch ensures that your pies remain securely sealed throughout the baking process, preserving all the flavors inside. Non-stick surface. Cleaning up after baking can be a chore, but not with this pie maker. It boasts an easy clean non-stick surface that prevents your pies from sticking to the molds, making cleanup a breeze. Included accessories. The kit also includes 2 valuable accessories, a pastry cutter and a pastry press. These tools simplify the pie making process, ensuring that you can create your personalized pies effortlessly. To enhance your pie making experience, this kit includes 2 essential accessories, a pastry cutter and a pastry press. These tools make it even easier to prepare your pies, ensuring that every step of the process is a pleasure. In conclusion, the Breville BPI640XL Personal Pie Maker is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a gateway to a world of personalization and culinary creativity. With the ability to make 4 individual pies, decorative sealing, secure locking, easy cleaning, and bonus accessories, it's a must-have for any pie enthusiast. Don't miss out on the chance to delight your taste buds and those of your loved ones with personalized pies made to perfection. Elevate your pie game and let your culinary creativity run wild with the Breville Personal Pie Maker.